What up? It's Mr. X to the Z Xzibit. Here to talk about my man Jeff for BigJeffAudio.com. It's the fastest growing online car stereo site that you can get all your car stereo needs from. You can call Jeff. I like that you directly get down with your peoples. He got a text, call, a chat on his WhatsApp, 737-BIG-JEFF. They're on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, IG, Big Jeff Audio brands. Also sells Kicker, Rockford, SUNDOWN, DS18, XS Power, Black Diamond Audio, Dynamat, so on and so on. They are also a distributor and looking for shops that need help to grow. So if you're a small business in that area, please call or reach out for Big Jeff at BigJeffAudioDealer.com to help you with your small business. They just sponsored Camry Caruso, a pro drag racer, for the rest of the season. There'll be a bunch of press releases and stuff about that, but they're going to wrap their car, sponsored by BigJeffAudio.com, at the next Circle K NHRA 4 Wide Nationals. That's going to be on Friday, April 28th through Sunday, April 30th. So go check them out there. Give some love and support to Camry Caruso. Good shit. I saw them on their website. She's killing it. All right, they do weekly giveaways on YouTube. Every 1,000 subscribers, they do a bigger giveaway each week. So make sure you tune in for that. Also, they built a 2005 Yukon called Hair Tricks, and you can get a ticket to possibly win for $1. All the money will be goes to a foundation that they pick, but you could win a 2005 Yukon all banked out for $1. So go check them out on their websites. They're not a stereo shop. They are authorized e-commerce seller for these brands and also a distributor located in Ocala, Florida. So Big Jeff Audio is where you go for big sound. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna say it again. Big Jeff Audio, where you go for big sounds. Mr. X to the Z Xzibit. Shout out to Jeff, man. I know you worked hard on this. You built this with $150, and now you got over 30 employees, man. So kudos to you. I'm proud of you, man. Let's go. Let's go. That's how we do it. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it going. Big Jeff Audio. You know what I'm saying? BigJeffAudio.com. Peace.